Hello, so this is the Visual Analytics dashboard of CAC 564 visualization. So this dashboard is basically uh, aimed to explain the COVID-19 data analysis. So basically the data sets that are being used here are a combined data set consisting of the vaccines and uh, and another data set consisting of the total cases, the total deaths, followed by the number of cases per thousand, number of cases per million, and so on. So the data set has been combined in order to get a mix of categorical and numerical variables. So so this dashboard consists of the following plots, which are a scree plot, then the multi-dimensional scaling plot, that is the MDS variables plot. There is a biplot, PCA based biplot, and then finally there is a parallel coordinates plot. So talking about the scree plot, here you can mouse over the rectangles or the circles in order to determine what kind of data is being explained by the principal by what number of principal components. So if we mouse over on the number of bars, so we will get a feature table which will explain the top four features that have an effect that explain the data, and this can be viewed along with their square loading values. So coming to the MDS variables plot. So basically this is a plot that explains the correlation between the dataset attributes, and this plot and the parallel coordinates plot, they are both are connected. So whatever changes made to this plot will be reflected in the parallel coordinates plot. So for example, if we check the attributes, that is total deaths and total cases, so here the parallel coordinates plot would be updated, and we can see that they have almost a linear relationship. So we can infer from this that the total number of cases and the total number of deaths, they have they have a linear occurrence. Similarly, if we take the total vaccinations, for example, and the positive rate, and we discard these two variables, so here it can be seen that the total vaccinations and the positive rate that is witnessed, so they have somewhat of a negative correlation. And likewise, we can view the correlation between any attribute by interacting with these two plots. And then we can also reset it to the original parallel coordinates plot so as to view the default PCP plot. And also there is a feature of highlighting a fixed specific range of variables, so that will highlight the specific values on each axis. And in addition to that, we can interchange the axis in order to view the correlation between any of the attributes. Talking about the biplot, so here the biplot is nothing but a PCA based biplot, and along with the square loading values that are explained by the two principal components. So for example, these two attributes, which are namely the total cases and the total deaths, so they are shown to have a linear relationship because they are seen to be pretty close. So this is how the PCA based biplot will explain you that about the data set. So this is the visual analytics dashboard.